Hello, welcome. I have got here a rather unusual vehicle to show you. Okay, it's a Robeta Aires. It's going to cost 117,000 euros. It's only 541 centimeters in length, but it has sleeping for 6 people and sitting for 2 there, 2 there, and 1 there. So it's got sitting for 5. So let's have a look at 2 seats up here, 2 beds up here, I should say, 2 sleeping places. There you go. There's the tent in the roof. Note it comes with a clock in there. Down here we've got a television which 3 people can watch, and 2 can if they're owls or something, or they've got eyes in the back of the head. Storage over the table. There you go. Bit of storage up there as well. And two burners, 1 sink, 1 fridge, bit of storage. Yeah, do you want to see this fridge? Because a lot of people say to me they want to see the fridge. There you go. That was easy to open as well. And a very nice washroom in such a small vehicle. And it has a sensible sliding door. It comes in 2 parts. 3 parts, sorry, I should say. No, it's 2 parts, and that's part of the wall. Anyway, I'll show you how big it is inside. I'll get you come inside. And there's me. Well, I'm 175 centimeters, so it's about. Yeah, I do have my shoes on, and there's a duckboard down there. You might think that isn't a lot of room. I think it is actually, because, you know, given the size of the vehicle. Mind you, given the size of the vehicle, now we've got all this at the back here. Double bed. Obviously this is just an option. This bed will go up and down, but I think putting all these beds in is a bit of an exaggeration. Maybe they're just doing it for show, to show you what can be done. I wouldn't fancy sleeping with so many people in such a small space, if I can avoid it. Let's have a look at the back now, because I think there's something here I ought to show you as well. Citroen jumper, I think I said that. Right, so this will move up and down electrically. So if you took this bed here will come out. So it's on a frame, but it can be actually removed. So if you took this one out and you got this thing here going up and down, that makes a lot more sense. Indeed, getting rid of that bit up there, this storage thing, which doesn't serve any use at all, that would actually give lots of space here in the back. This is absolutely a tiny camper which sleeps 5. There you have a mosquito net, very useful. And note that the mosquito net actually goes all the way down as well. Also, the doors here they're insulated. There's the window, blackout screen, there's your mosquito net, and let's have a walk around here. See the tent in the roof, that's the cassette toilet. So, in my opinion, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but 5 people in a 541 centimeter long camper van. I think that's going over the top. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. It's the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. Bye for now.